Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Theta Network. In this video I will share the latest update of the Theta Network. What's the current price, what's the price changes over in the Theta Network, and this video I will share. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently now price of the Theta Network is 5.71%. Absolutely, in the previous days the Theta Network price chart pumps, but unfortunately now from the yesterday the situation is again going wrong and the price again start dumps and the price going down. The last 1 week changes is still positive, but I hope that maybe tomorrow or the next day in the beginning of a new month, possibilities, my friends, that the price again pump and we get profit. So my friends, now I recommend for everybody to hold, never decide to sell. Just hold it, never decide to sell. Let me show you the price chart of the Theta Network. Absolutely, my friends, you can see here. Now at this time, for some time the price pump and again jumps. Pump and jumps. For some time take a jump and again the price jumps. So my friends, that's going complicated. Sometimes pumps, sometimes jumps. So now I recommend for everybody to please hold it, never decide to sell, just hold it for a long time. That is how you can make a profit with a Theta Network. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.